What's going on, guys? Hi, I am Grace and this is Exness. Founded in 2008, Exness is a broker which has since gained steam in the market. Exness continues to surpass new milestones, gaining market share from other top brokers thanks to impressive sponsorships with Real Madrid FC and WWF Russia. Traders who join up will encounter a secure and streamlined trading environment which extends to both the MT4 and MT5 platforms, and offers favorable trading conditions including low spreads and ECN account availability. Pros: tight spreads and low minimum balances reduce financial commitment. Variety of account types including classic, mini, ECN, and Islamic. Highly regulated and compliant with regulators including FCA, CISEC, others. Solid array of financial instruments including over 120 Forex pairs. Day trading account. Excellent customer service reachable through email, phone, live chat, and more. Exness one of the best, as it is guided by several regulations and investor protections from exacting, no-nonsense entities like the FCA Financial Conduct Authority. This is the #1 Forex regulator in the United Kingdom. Its reputation has spread it all over the world and it is the organization that keeps Exness in check. Your money will be safe and protected as long as Exness is regulated by FCA. Trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 by MetaQuote Software Corp. MetaTrader 5 by MetaQuote Software Corp. One-click trading. Trade-off charts. Email alerts. Mobile alerts. Stop order. Market order. Trailing stop order. OCO orders. Limit order. 24 hours trading. In addition, Exness will especially be appreciated by traders who don't want to deposit a lot of capital or who don't plan on trading very much. The Exness mini account is perfect for these users, with a $1 minimum deposit, no deposit and withdrawal commissions, and a minimum lot size of 0.0001. Instant deposits and withdrawals. Deposits and withdrawals of client funds are processed immediately by Exness, helping traders move money between accounts in an e-wallet with limitless agility. Internal transfers between accounts enjoy the same speed, granting Exness customers full control over all their funds 24/7. Trading research and news. Trading news is supplied via Dow Jones, which has its own market news channel streamed directly to the Exness members portal. Exness also offers analytical reports on a bevy of financial instruments through Trading Central. Transfers. Instant withdrawals. 0% commission trading, unmatched market prices, rapid money transfers. Trade with Exness. Enjoy rapid money transfers, reliable execution, and tight spreads. Free demo account. Client support. Go-in app available on PC, Android and Apple phones. Links in description. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Quote: thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to let me know by giving it a like, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more. Thank you again for watching this video.